Hey everybody, welcome back to Vanland. Today I want to show you guys a new van that I just saw when I visited VanSpeed last week. VanSpeed's a manufacturer and a builder in our industry. I visited them because I had never been to their shop before, so I gave them a ring and they let me come in and take a tour. At the end of the day, they showed me one of the van concepts they're working on. It's called the Summit van, built on the 144. It has a lot of cool features that I wanted to show you guys, so let's jump back and take a look at this cool concept van. So before we jump into the tour, I wanted to give you guys my quick impression about the Summit van and what I liked about it. It's a truly multifunctional van, so it's good for days at the beach or getting around the city, but it also has room for all of your gear. And this is built on a 144, so that's somewhat hard to achieve. You'll see in the tour that the Summit has a full stand-up shower and bathroom, and then a really great Murphy bed design in the back, so you can flip up the bed and bring in bikes, gear, or whatever. All right, so let's jump into the tour and see what you guys think.
We wanted a layout that people can still be rough and go load snowboards and mountain bikes. For me, I want to be able to put a dirt bike down the middle. So this gave all the options for that, but then still, you know, you can go with your wife or whatever to the beach and go have a dinner. It's a nice enough layout that kind of bridges the complements of both of them. So this is our Summit layout. So within our layouts, you know, they all work for a particular customer. This is the first layout that we actually made that takes combinations and certain features that customers add or love over the years, and we combined it all into one layout. So this will be available at RV dealerships coming up here soon. But to kind of give you a little quick breakdown of what's happening here, and we actually have a full walkthrough video and all of that. So if you want to see more detail, you can check it out. But we took a interior shower, which is typically known for taking up a lot of space, and we went ahead and added shelves in there, but still give you all your accessories if you want to put shampoos, soaps, things like that in here. And the shelves fold right out. So it gives you the ability to turn a useless shower that's maybe used 10% of the time to a full closet and actually give it a purpose. Have a microwave. This battery system runs on a 560 amp hour lithium battery package, secondary alternator, 200 watts of solar, and then you have a short power with a 2000 watt inverter charger combo. So you're gonna have your flip out table on the outside here. You have some storage drawers right here. Some more drawers over here. Flip up Dometic sink. One burner induction cooktop that can be moved outside as well. Dometic fridge as well. And then this is actually the most exciting part. So this is going to be your Murphy style bed. This allows you to transform bed from flat up in stored position all the way to a full queen size bed. That actually gives you a 6'10" headroom from side to side with the VanSpeed capsules. So that's an exciting thing. You actually have outlets in the capsules too, and then you have little slider windows. Now the best thing about this bed, it's not just a bed. When you're not using it, you have plenty of storage in the middle, or you can take it out and then you have actually not just one, but two workspaces to either work, eat. So it's really a great layout for a couple that's looking to go out, explore. Maybe if it's going to the beach one day, or if it's loading up the gear and going snowboarding, it's a great layout for that. And then you also have storage under here as well. This slides over. Super easy. And then to put it away. this can be your flip down table right here. So that single burner induction cooktop that I showed inside plugs in right here, and then you have a little table, little rack for your spices or just a little storage right here. And then outside outlet right here as well. You're gonna have the rear tire off the back. Underneath, we actually put a 40-gallon freshwater tank. And then all your electrical controls right here, and then your outdoor shower with some more storage. You can certainly mount some stuff to the bottom here. For surfboard mounts, we have a ceiling mount. And then for snowboard and skis, we actually have a mount that goes in our mule carrier that was designed around whenever you go to the mountains, you're always gonna get, doesn't matter how good you clean off your board, you're always gonna have a little bit of snow in there.
Yeah.
That's gonna melt and just make a mess. So we designed a more open airbox system that can still be lockable off your rear door. So when you drive home, all your boards are completely dry. You don't have to worry about any water, anything. So that was always a pet peeve of mine.
So that was the Summit van, guys. I'd love to know in the comments, what was your favorite feature about the van, or what would you like in your van that the Summit doesn't have? Thanks for watching, guys. As always, stay connected with us, subscribe to our channel, join our newsletter if you want to hear more about new products and new vans in the industry. All right, that's it. See you guys later.